Hi guys, it's Amekama Diecast, and today we are reviewing these two Hot Wheels cars. Let's review this new for 2024 is Hot Wheels 2023 Ram 1500 with red and black. With front we have black grille, pan to side, rear, driver side, and roof. And this code says S40, that's the code. Let's review this 1970 Dodge Charger RT with yellow, pink, purple, white, and blue. With front, we have gray grille, pan to side with purple and pink and white wheels. Rear, driver side, and roof with letter I. And this code says S50, that's the code. Okay, thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next diecast video.